Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about rainwater harvesting working model, especially in the smart sustainable cities. So first of all, let us understand why rainwater harvesting is very important, because water is very precious natural resources, but due to rapid urbanization, overuse of groundwater, there is a big scarcity in the water. So in order to help that problems, so we will be using rainwater harvesting. Now I am going to demonstrate how this rainwater harvesting really works. So here, in order to demonstrate, so we would be required water, because we are demonstrating water is coming from the cloud. So what we have done is we have collected the water in this well, and we have used two pumps here. One pump is going to pump the water to access the cloud rainwater, and another pump we will be using for distributing the water to our agricultural fields. Now we are going to demonstrate by switching on the pump that would demonstrate the rain here. So now you will see the rain here. So you can easily see there is a simulation of rain. So once the water is getting stored in the rooftop, what happens is we have kept the pipeline here. That pipeline goes to the filtration unit. Once the filtration is done, the water is goes back to the water well or recharge bore well. So this is the simple concept of demonstrating how the rainwater harvesting we can do on our rooftop of our building. Now we are going to demonstrate how can we reuse in our agricultural fields. So use another pump to distribute the water to our agricultural fields or our gardens and so on. And another mechanism we are trying to use the same water we are going to supply to the entire city for non-drinking purpose, such as offer all our the gardens which is there in the community houses or apartment complex. And the next way of saving the water, especially during rain, what happens is the roads getting flooded. Because of that, the traffic get halt there. So because of that, what we are trying to do here is we have put the stormwater drains here, the big stormwater drains. What it does is it collects all the water which comes on the road, and that we have laid the pipeline. Using this pipeline, all the water which comes in the storm water drains, finally that goes to the water ponds which is there in the city. So in that way, roads are not getting flooded, as well as the water is getting recharged. So this is a simple demonstration on how we can save our water by making use of this rainwater harvesting.